Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to do a video on covering my cough. So I'm going to do it. Oh, pollen's out. Really irritating.